Hi, and hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is an appreciation video for my friend who is very thoughtful to me. And yes, I know you've read it into my thumbnail that this is a gift from her. And I just wanted to share you guys this because I am super excited that you can see what's inside of this paper bag. The first thing is, ta-da! It's so cute. The cover of this notebook is totally got into my nerves with a pastel green color of a unicorn. Next is these 2 pages of stickers, but not just normal sticker because she really chose a sticker which I can use to my bullet journaling. And another item, ta-da! And ta-da! These are markers, 2 sets of different markers in a small and large sizes. And that's all. She's not a bougie creator like me, but what I wanted to say she knows and totally knows what I like, or should I say, what I really love. Now, let's unwrap this. Let's start this notebook. I don't have scissors here, so let's bear a little moment. I'm excited if this is dotted, plain, or line type of notebook. You wanna guess, guys? Comment it right away. We cannot see it now until we flip the pages of the notebook because of the side color of the notebook. So as you can see, guys, it's a lined notebook. I like this notebook really. It has a thick paper and so many pages. Nothing more to ask for this, as well as having a bookmark and a hardcover. Now for telling you what I can say to its sticker, it's a bunch of cute and really bougie sticker I can say. Let's try out first the small markers. It has 5 pieces of markers in its set. The marker's tip is similar to the highlighter, or should I say that is a highlighter. Yes, this is a highlighter. Sorry, because the color is glowing, the holder of the highlighter is just same to pens and markers, but it is really a marker. No, a highlighter. Yes, a highlighter. Now, I am enjoying how I am making swatches to these highlighters. We have 5 colors, the pink, orange, yellow, which is what I think I love the most among of all, having the glowing characteristic color, the blue, and green highlighters. Let's get right to the another set. I am sure this time that this is marker because it is written on the marker itself. Now, let's swatch each of them, but before that, take a closer look of the marker because it is still sealed. I made a mistake taking the seal of the marker, but I found out the best way to remove it. It only needs to squeeze the marker to break the plastic. Just like this. Take a look. Ta-da! Oops! Just like that. Then remove the plastic of the cup that prevent us for not using it. That plastic. It takes time for me removing all the seal, even if it is just for the 8 markers. So for now, let's start swatching it. You know, to be honest, every time I am swatching my pens, I am enjoying it, and how the same feeling goes. I love what I am doing. If other girls love swatching their lipsticks, then my pens is the one I love to swatch every time. As you can see, I am really enjoying it. We have 8 colors, the black, green, violet, yellow, orange, brown, blue, and the last one is the red color of the marker. But of course, before we end this video, I would like to use these markers in my calligraphy. I know it is so much different to brush pens, but I wanted to try this out. To use marker or highlighter with a broad tip to say thank you to this friend of mine. Harder than brush pen in writing, especially that I am just a beginner, but there's nothing wrong if I try, right? Now, I just wanted to say thank you to you, Cherry Lyn Garcia Rey, Chacha, for this wonderful gift you gave to me. I really appreciate this. and stay kind and cheerful. Love lots, Che. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you wanted something I should do for my next video, please leave a comment and I will respond to it. Take care. Bye bye.